Welcome, guys, to episode 41st of how we build the five-story building here in Aventura. Here we have an upgrade. We are doing the civil work around the building. They are putting new dirt, they are compacting, and they are preparing everything to do some parking space. And also, we have here all the grease traps, all wells, everything related to drainage in this side of the building. In the meantime, in the inside, we are working on the fire sprinkler installation, as you can see here, and also the plumbing for the water distribution. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we build a five-story building. Thanks for watching.